You're seeing resilience in the jobs market. You're seeing companies continuing to invest. And as you said, we have got more people in work than ever before. The unemployment rate hasn't been lower since 1974. And very pleasingly, of course, wages continue to outpace inflation for the 16th month in a row. And regular pay is outpace inflation by 1.7%. So that's all very good news. I think the key is that we continue to have this confidence and this investment in the economy as we go forward. I mean, I've been coming here month after month discussing this, and it continues to show.
I was just wondering, sectorally, where can you say that these jobs are being put on?
Well, if you look at what's happened in terms of GDP last month, you saw a bounce back in manufacturing, for example. You've seen announcements that have been made by people like BMW in terms of the new range of Mini that's going to be coming in 2020. So I think this is across sectors. You are seeing this investment. But the one thing I would say is that if we're able to resolve Brexit, and I think Boris Johnson is absolutely right that we have a hard deadline on this, we try and get a deal. If we can't get a deal, then we leave without it. Because the one issue that I think has depressed investment is uncertainty. So when I talk to businesses, that's one of the big issues for them, is to resolve this. And I expect that once we get this over the line, you will see investment actually grow coming to the UK.
We do know industry's wasted a lot of money preparing for Brexit at various dates, and has then had to wind down and spend that money again. So that's kind of inefficiency, isn't it?
Well, absolutely. So if you looked at the GDP figures in April, they were down, and particularly manufacturing was down because a lot of businesses, car manufacturers, brought their shutdowns forward from August to April because they didn't know when we were going to leave and the uncertainty around that. And you're absolutely right, this ramping up and ramping down is not good for business, it's not good for government, and that's why I think Boris Johnson is right. We have this hard deadline, 31st of October. We leave, hopefully with a deal. If not, then without a deal.